Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to configure a group policy object. Group policies allows us to configure settings for specific users and computers that are part of an Active Directory domain. It allows us to set policies or specify standards in one place and make it apply across a target set of users and computers. Configuring a GPU can control a user desktop experience, for example, by removing control panel to prevent users from making accidental changes, or you can specify security settings such as minimum length of password, etc. Alright, next we'd want to open our server, click the Start menu, go to Administrative Tools, Active Directory Users and Computers. Alright, right click on our domain, my domain name larenard.com, go to New and click Organizational Unit. Alright, what you like to do is give the organization a name. In this case I'll name it IT Tech. I'll leave this box checked, protect container from accidental deletion. Click OK. Here you can see the IT Tech folder has been created. Next we want to go back to Administrative Tools. On the Group Policy Management, expand the forest. Expand the forest. Going to domains. Under the larenard.com, we go to the IT Tech. We create it and we go to create GPU in its domain and link it here. Alright, so we enter a name for the new GPU. In this case we'll enter iTech, computer, GPU, and we click OK. Next we head back to our Active Directory users. Right click on the iTech folder, go down to New, and we select New User. Here we set up a new user, give it a name, with Anne. User our name will be Anne. Click Next, set a password. Select password, never expires. And just for this tutorial, we click Next. Alright, give me a summary. And I click Finish. For the new user created, we want to head back to Group Policy Management. And under the iTech folder, right click and edit, select edit. In these fields, computer configuration is when the restrictions are associated with the computer itself, and under user configurations, this deals with restrictions associated with user accounts. So the next step, I'd want to go to Policies, and under Policies I want to go to Administrative Template. In here I'd want to edit users access to the control panel. So go into the control panel, and what I want to, I can hide specific control panel items. I could force classic view, prohibit access to the control panel. So in this tutorial, I'll prohibit the access, and I will go in and enable and apply. Okay. Next, I'd want to go to my Windows client machine. I'm going to log in as the user I created. And I'm going to check and see if I have access to the control panel. Alright, we still already booted. Check and see if I can go into my control panel. Alright, the operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. So as you can see, the group policies we set, we just disable access to the control panel, and if you wish, there are a number of other stuff that we can prohibit. I can also go to, for example, the desktop, and I can disable desktop wallpaper from changing. So we're going to enable it. Disable it. Apply. Okay, I'll go back to my client now. Let's see if I can change the wallpaper. See, so I also have restrictions on changing the wallpaper. Right, and basically that is my demonstration of setting up a GPU. Thanks for watching.